Nera malaken yam kana diala content barwani lingwa seme ka Nuer TV channel. Enda manduni shan kosnyak nong yarwachame. Jo ban lingwa seme warga misha gor a commissioner dung fangak county. Bana jo me bana jelinkel. En walle e shang wel bakel kapay baro ron kina dangro wirjen dangro yidi diech. Jo bana linge jo mishalat ki sha gor a kwer commissioner dung fangak warga bana linga kim bukono kwene gwar ka je ka shanka wal dies ka pay baro ron kina dangro wid jen dangro wid diech warga gwar ka neje netin konti la je humanitarian ka situation en beja dana tene konti kitin a gor a commissioner ka gor je en wodi yerun palping ka lianga commissioner dung fangak county Ray wika South Sudan ka Jonglei State. Take a warga misha gorka shanga diogan wo. Gorka kwen and 18 kontin. Tere bus medit ketin kontin chuch. Gwasadan and to kuma kirme yadit. Ala dene SSPDF. Kena South Sudan Defense Force. Gwadadan te kortin ke jejen bor ala ga nwere ke ngwene nwere. Chala de commissioner no shibos jaroda kasen wenamo ko telekwen ko shikume malakume SSPDF shikana gorno de humanitarian derwo ka fanga ka kwikwan shikalaro nene shikalaro ka korun kentama shikor shewo ka mere benrode gwasa dana nyen South Sudan People Defense Force kene jechen bor la Nuer Wayami militia namo shefan gake jako betek rik tungwan shit ko antama te rik tungwan lung to shafan gak chaje gol ajani chi nyoch jedit are wicha ka jonglei kan nostran ajane nyogba ci point en fan gak chala gwa kur gwa menyen natin kam kuma kirme yadit kene kuma men kia gad nuwer tin kone la ngwane nuwere jenne fanga kanti chaje yar nyoch ka ken kor pest ni titine che jo mo che jalat jenne entama telekwen ka nyoje bashi jen chenga nyamno bi nyoj ba wuj ba jedek jenne nyoche te ka pest chop ke diech alo yara fangak entama shi tegna chebech mi che kuma dan tama ka korati terka tine ajenen tama china chiki chuch ko tele ji humanitarian tinanga kwenen winemi ajene gore jengo de netin kon tin la ji humanitarian de kan loga mo de kan top ka jawra na chalat Ramadan en la commissioner ka jawra na chalat e wudi shal ka Kuol chalat wo na chuch ka long na bana jode bana jelin gwasamani lengna jode ka tot
in a flood situation for 5 years, they have not contributed. And then the food situation in that area is worse. And the health situation as well, because when there was an incident last month in Towns, the country headquarters, the community was displaced to its farms areas, and their coping mechanism is very poor because for the last 5 years people were depending on relief and fishing. But now because the area is abandoned by the community, people are really suffering. Yesterday there was a good number of people who came to Neo Pangak. They were received by SSCDF. They were given food. They were all malnourished. Some of them could not be able to move back to where they come from. So they were accommodated, and I'm calling for humanitarian agency to respond to the community who are really in need.
Jo shalin gwasame wudi shalkame Kuol jaramdana ruac. Baja kwen gwasame Fangak County has been affected by flooding over the past 5 years with no cultivation. The food and the health situation has been worse, and with the fighting last month, civilians were displaced to swamp areas, destroying the coping mechanism. Kuol say people are really suffering, only depending on wild plant and fish. Jo kwen gwasa me lada je gwan wo nena. Ka kwi kurtin kone che tuok jani shi na tiki chujre wichin wina mi. Tega joro dian gwas mbakula kwen yi michalat ka tok English and pilot. Lada jen wo nena. Jani antama jani panate ne tiji jen kani fangak. Chaka okay Ramadan right gwata me County Commissioner Johnson Kuol gaj okay gor jeno biya jakon ngach County Commissioner Johnson Kuol gaj aja Ramadan ruac ka jowling yan gwata me ka tuging linye malar no nena alara je gwango ala which fangak ki choja chetetin so ko kujamo china chi jen kani fangak no shi go gwat dan tiketin ajene antama nere konen chiben jene shaka lor SSPDF, la South Sudan People Defense Force. Kane to shu ka mit cha mo ka kwen a chang na jal chi kana long. I think there's a problem there. Kwala kujino Kuol gwata me gwije jeno dong kule leng kum kir me yadit wala ngulu demo. I don't get it, but anyway again a message na an chalat ka kwi ka ri ga dana to. Kuol chela do nena ka kwi gwaze dan chi korme cha to ga ja chwana chwa ka bukare nyali no goten content chara toten Kuol ko describe mit ga dan na ticketin no Kuol chela do nena god yala ko ni narin toten shit ka men ka gat god kon chigrin toten kan god kon sha bu ko me kirme yadit no a jenene on Sunday about 85 women and elderly returned from a swamp and were welcomed by the SSPDF and were given food jen jodan pai kon lat gwatame no many cho jen dang ba de gudi diech shiga jien gwada dan chigrin toten ko na kan warin winami no kane ita to shikanwe gwada dan te SSPDF tin no ka shwa mu ka kwen no chikya jo mo cha jalat jani chine chan wer ton ya mu ka kwen akume SSPDF kane to gane de content chuch jani on tam wona ka mebeke kane de to wa shu ke lung tel kwen sham kana no ka jo dana chalat kane ti kan wore so jo me be ka wude shal ka me Kuol ala commissioner no and commissioner mo ko shonkel ga kum kirma yadit wala chunga kel ka community I don't know but lad ne message dana chalat. He added that the situation had remained calm for over a week with no bombardment reported until Sunday when gunship targeted SPLIO forces regrouping near Quirpan. Jo chalat gwasame ajene ka kor gwade dan chekor chawra kapchong. Bare jene antama ka jen kor jogam paiwe kinin paiwe cha kume SPLIO mente ka Quirpan ka fangak chaje book keren yali kirma yadi ala kume Dr. Machar netin konen chunkel ke Dr. Machar ken jechen bor ken dial nede ti ke nede sha target kume kirma yadit so enjo me chelar no gwadme civilian are not targeted but rebel intending to attack, so we urge the civilian population to return home to get food, Kuol say. We also urge humanitarian agencies to intervene. So jowling yana me Kuol ramkel karan kume ke deine SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, no. So bana jangach ajan njog yamadan no Kuol murajemo jen te kel ke jang wala te kel kanware. Kuol che joja no te kel ke jang gwadame. Ano ne den kontin kwa target chiga nuare ne kwa target eke de ne SPLIO ke nuare ke jejen borka nuare so chane ngany medan mena ka nuare re we gwa se dan ngum tel mi chikana lat right now chane jene ngaje gwa no ne di ti na ken civilian ko milar ken no cha target ni civilian wa target ne kuma SPLIO ne re ko la jejen borka ngane ka nuare so nyu jeno ne di ti jelka kel ka nga ke kuma kirma yadit but ne me report me dong de yen ngaje no Ramadan nun ko rai gwasme kamanan to ka fangak jang chinwar ko ngai kona gwano tonga mi chui natin chon mi de tin always so ko kujamo de yen jome de yen ling ka do badan en chelat ke je en go chinating one she rodi rit she ka wo ka kuma kirma yadit ala SSPDF tintere wechin winami jo me jen jo dana shala da Kuol please many combine many jalas gwasa money gijed Kuol shunga kujendien shunga kel kan wala shunga kel ka jang gorjen wo ba mandan en to ko kol be ngai ram ngai kol ka fan ga ko jaram dala commissioner gorjen wo de kuje dan te tinde je ngai kenyam chorai ko na chuke na tiguri no tawre romni na ko ga target kuma kirma yadi SSPDF gorka goten content chara tawtin en temme chala to no tega manager ba de guri je no chara read gwada dan shi goten shi ben kudde ni SSPDF a shagala loka kwan chukan mit ka kwan a changa jalji kana luang so na mo gweje beje mat sometime jin mi dong bene ko bi ka so laut ka kwi yone beje long ano bran laro no ngaga chu mit ka kwan na batole jal I don't think no me de blar ante ma media ano na motwoka anyway chana jome chana jeling jome chala da shek shek me shek mi chirwaj no kwale kuch no gwada raj tin but chana jawde chana jamilin kel raman yam ban linkaje ko gor ko liang na mena ngar bi ajamilin manan to
ben yesterday
okay rame me mraje ken yam me wude chana waka ka shek dan raj
nena bas biga gadi na kul gash o biga gadi na kul al ajad al fitaj wal bar al managiga al bam ba kuluha ajad al murda و والترابطة شجرة ما عندنا حاجة اسم الأكل اليال تعبانين لا مواطنين كله في غابة مواطنين ما في مواطن مشى هناك المواطنين قاعدين يدقوا بالطيارة ويمشي بيسوي شنو وقاعدين يدقوا بالطيارة
kajo shalen gwaseme en ramadan right wa shwale nya gwa shwol joak kirado nene janene telene kon jane shiana che beje lungo dan netin jane liuna ke botre ruop jane tele mi shwale kon go the continent tin chane joitina kuma kirme yadit shelado nene we lack food with everyone malnourished some people even die from hunger joak say there is no food and we cannot go to the army to get food because we are being targeted by gunship. Jome lada jeko gwasa dan en kwana kwa connecting ko nagane de kontela civilian e kum kirma yadit SSPDF. No, chana jome min yok milin kona karamadan chiro gwada me ka kur kan chan jomilin.
Ben yesterday three helicopters come and bombed the area of Kwerkans. Even those civilians, they fled where the location is unknown. The situation of humanitarian everywhere is very worse. There's no place where people can survive and no food at all. Only people are surviving on fish, and there is no net where to catch fish with. That
kajo shalen gwasa me aramkel me chero ay ka kwer kan gwaza dana shana buktin karen yala kuma kirme yadit SSPDF dio je shi ajo de ling malat kene shi helicopter shi gaben helicopter ko na shi ben shi na shi ken ka buk an gwas ma shi na shi ka putere rop ko gorko dong sharan chaje bije ka gwadan shi garingtin wa tele kon mitin no ka kene tele ka boyene de kan reide kan ka kula mai ka so kene boste tene longan winami name eje report and an inshallah me jiram jidit kanwar online ke Nuer TV channel go rejen go jin de subscribe ka jen channel me ko de larti de ka kul mala lingi nyong man biya ngach wonene konne kontus kelong sometime ne de kon la ro tandien bu go raje lo kene kuma kirme yadi la jang tandien bu go raje lo kene te kon la nwere so malat kene wo ji humanitarian de na lok de kene shulat bado bine ko bugo palbo sometime bo beje so jome mede yene ling an walle shang wal bakel ka pay baro ron kina dangaro hidi jen dangaro de bana jome ban je ling ka jen gwasmene en ban je le radien biata mal bye bye